Looks like it's Sprunky time again. But this time, it comes with a perfect twist. That's right. Everybody wants to be a cat. Let the feline fun begin. Shine a light. Uh-oh, it looks like the claws are coming out. Okay, spray bottle, do your thing. Now let's take a trip to see where the real cool cats go. But things are getting dramatic. What's Black Cat up to? Oh no! He knows your combination! Or is that just his safe? Let's hope so, because he's making some withdrawals. That alarm makes me think it's not his. So that explains why he brought Orin along. You might be orange, but you've been caught red-handed. On the plus side, you already got an orange suit. Sort of. Don't worry, Orin. We'll sneak you a treat. And it's got a special surprise inside. I think we've got a problem. Don't worry, it's gotta come out somehow. Get scooping. It's cheaper than hiring a lawyer. I would have worn gloves, but time is of the essence. Okay, kitty cat, make like a fox and sneak on out. Uh-oh, it's a maze in here, and it's a messy one. Careful, this maze is a really interactive one. Either we fire that Minotaur or get him a litter box. Hurry, Orin! We drew you a way out! Next up, a locked door. Looks like we've got to solve an equation. Got a calculator? Well, some combination must be right. Don't worry, we've got our minifigs to help. If you know how to count, adding's the next best step. Seriously, arithmetic's a slippery slope. See, we're already doing subtraction, and with bugs too. Just take away the number and count. Let's try 3. Aha! Just one more to go. Personally, I prefer multiplication when it comes to jewels. Well, I guess there's just one left standing. And we're on our way out of here. Bugs and doors? What, out of chutes and ladders? Either way, let's roll the dice. And maybe roll up a newspaper. A key! Think it'll come in handy? It did! Uh-oh, another bug! Where's that shoe? Step to it. And look, we got another key. One last bug left. And we've got something special, a shovel. The final door! Now ease on out of here. They say it's always good to feel wanted, but this feels like a good counter-argument. Well, guess someone's getting a makeover. A sombrero, a bow tie, and purple shoes. Looks like it's time for another makeover. Next, a cowboy hat, goofy glasses. Voila! Well, at least the cape matches the hat. Let's find Pinky and clear your name. Oh no, don't scream! See, it's just Orin. Yeah! Uh-oh, here comes the third wheel. Hey, are these two having a cat fight? Wow, fighting must be good exercise. Seriously, I can see right through them. In the end, only one cat is left standing. What a happy ending. Wait, we returned the jewels, right? Something's in the trash. Huh, that you, Oscar? Mira? Zoe? Rumi! They've turned into cats! Or maybe they're just kitty cosplayers. Either way, Ginu's taking you guys home. Do they offer obedience school for cats? If they do, we should really look into that. But first, we need to find those naughty kitties. Here's Zoe. I think Rumi's behind the potted plant. Last but not least, Mira. Ooh, they're so messy. Don't worry, Derpy's here with cleaning supplies. Soon, our feisty felines will be as good as new. And it looks like it's lunchtime. Who wants Rumi Ramyun? Let's hope there's extra fish cakes. Kitties love seafood. All done? Now it's time for you three to take a nap. When you wake up, you kittens are getting some mittens. And possibly pie. Oh, quick! Someone grab the camera! These Sprunkies sure take sandbox time seriously. I know how it looks, but I still think there's buried treasure here. Orin, what are you doing here? I see. Everyone's buried in the wrong plot. Either that or the tombstones got mixed up. Don't worry, these aren't really our Sprunky friends. Squeeze them to see what color's inside. You know, a lot of people have red inside them. Next, what's your favorite flavor of lemonade? Make it pink. Made from pink lemons, I think. Ratty, green or blue? Yeah, green goes great with red. Orange, purple or red? Makes sense. We already did red. Last but not least, sky, pink or orange. Just like the juice. If you have a heart, Sprunky's a part of you. But now, it's time for a little world building. Coca. You know what goes great with soda? Mints. See? Now wasn't that a great explosion? Uh-oh, we're not supposed to get it wet. Maybe pressing more buttons will help.
Oops.
Well, I'm out of ideas. An SOS? Grab it! A door. Might as well go through it. You too, creepy guy. Wow, we're in a whole new world. Sensing a block theme. Was I wrong? Ooh, guess some assembly's required. Our Sprunky friends sure look great in 3D. But it's a shame they can't all be here. Ooh, I think Mr. Black's up to something. Ah, lightning. What can't it do? Orin, Sky, Binaria, they're alive! Alive! It's Night of the Living Sprunky! Oh, how are we going to save them? Now, Mr. Black, necromancy's very naughty. Wait, cola! The answer to all life's problems! Once again, soda has saved the day. Now, you guys go back to your dirt nap. And you guys go on to the next level. Or back to the start. There's no place like home. But our new button really opens doors. Time to grab your water wings. It's an ocean world. Talk about a big fish in a big pond. He's eating them up and leaving only tails, like an all-you-can-eat shrimp buffet. Of course, that appetite could be your undoing. Ooh, good thing he forgot to chew. We just need to match the heads to each body. Let's try again. It's simple. Match them by color. All better.
Yes.
Too bad it looks like stormy weather. Wouldn't call this a day at the beach. Quick, bring Semi-Hemi to the shore. Come on, air in, water out. Much better. Now let's fix that splitting headache. Another button. Let's try it out. You know the drill. Let's see what's behind the door. Wow, this place is for all you cool cats. Oh, you want to play hide and seek? Well, we've got a secret weapon for that. Pickled fish. And it's extra stinky. Come on, kitties, have a bite.
Wow!
Hey, look, there's a button in the pool. Ooh, what's Mr. Black up to now? No cats? Well, they usually don't do water. But how are we going to get the button? Those pipes could be the solution. You like the pool slide? How about a rock slide?
Oops!
Let's try the Scrooge McDuck route instead. I guess everybody has their price. Don't worry, kitties. We'll get our paws wet for you. Think we should drain the pool? The button! Let's try it out. It looks like a ratty theme. Wow! You're all Interplanet Janets! And look! Maruna's lost her Wyram! Use your new superpowers to help! But where do we start? We should ask for clues. Okay, Mama Binaria, what's in the carry-on? Baby stuff. Okay, you can go. You're next, Top Hat. Is that a bomb? You have a right to remain silent. Use it. Hi, Aqua. Did you have worm for lunch? We're gonna need to make a little incision. Reunited, and it feels so good. And looks like Mr. Black's getting a cellmate. How can she thank you? That'll do it.
Yes.
It's good to be back in the flesh. It looks like this one's got a pinky theme. Guess she's a fan of Minecraft. But Mr. Black's got special creepers. Quick, into that mining shaft. This is a Minecraft game. So, why don't we start mining? We just need to find the right treasures. Now we can really craft something good. A sword! Should we make more? Nah, Ratty's got this one covered. And that treasure chest is all ours. But this is all the treasure we need. We've got a button for Sky. A farm level, and you're all produce. Red apple, yellow lemon, pink peach, and a white orange? Why don't we fix that? Just need to mix a little red and yellow. Old MacDonald would be proud. Uh-oh! It looks like Mr. Black's in the mood for fruit salad. Hey! Oh, he's changed his mind. Now he's thinking smoothies. We gotta help! Just need to finish this drink. Quick, take the mix to our special dispenser. Popsicles? Well, at least they're solid. Now let's give you a taste of your own medicine. Ooh, we got a Mr. Black button. Looks like there's still one more level to go. Get your engines ready. It's a car level. Keep your eyes on the prize. A Simon button. It's not a race, but you gotta avoid the obstacles. Well, don't worry. We've still got 3 lives left. Pinky isn't having much luck either. Well, Simon, it's your button. Have a go. Remember, slow and steady always works best. You did it!
Wow!
But you're not out of the woods yet. Time to go a little fast and furious. Here's hoping you've got insurance. The final button. The keyboard is restored. Press the start button to, well, start over. Yeah! You won the games. Let's dance.